Sasa ripoti ya pili imekamilika, iko karibu sasa. Siku chache tu mimi na Uhuru tutapokea.
The release of the constitutional proposals to the public will set pace for a referendum to effect the changes. Questions, however, abound with regards to the legal procedures that should be followed. Chapter 16 of the Constitution stipulates 2 ways to amend the supreme law, a parliamentary initiative being one of them, as provided in Article 256 of the Constitution. This entails a constitutional amendment in the form of a bill that can be introduced in either the Senate or the National Assembly. The bill must further be subjected to public participation and must pass by at least 2/3 majority of Parliament, which means at least 234 votes in the National Assembly and 45 in the Senate at both the second and third readings of the bill, in a process taking place within 90 days.
You require 25%, not 20%, as is the case in the referendum, 25% of all valid votes cast. Then 25% of all valid votes cast in at least more than half of the counties.
If approved by Parliament, the President shall assent to the bill within 30 days before requesting IEBC to conduct a national referendum within another 30 days.
Then you need an absolute majority of more than half of the total valid votes cast, what the Constitution calls 50% plus 1 vote. So the threshold for passing a BBI-related constitutional amendment that requires a referendum obviously is much lower than a presidential election.
However, not all amendments require referendum, according to Chapter 16 of the Constitution. Article 255 lists items that require referendum as follows: the supremacy of this Constitution, the territory of Kenya, the sovereignty of the people, the national values and principles of governance, the Bill of Rights, the term of office of the President, the independence of the judiciary, and the commissions and independent offices to which Chapter 15 applies, the functions of Parliament, the objectives, principles and structure of devolved government, or the provisions of the Constitution. Considering the timelines provided in the Constitution, if the process goes as projected, Kenyans are expected to vote for or against the new Constitution changes in April 2021 thereabout. To resolve the controversial 2/3 gender rule stalemate, sources have intimated to us that BBI has proposed to create more seats specifically for women to end 9-year-old struggle and ensure gender balance in Parliament. Giverson Minor, K24, Nairobi.